Yung mga idol, magdula sa Tagalog NBA 2K20. Good morning sa inyo. Tulak ko yung NBA 2K20 kasi ang cellphone ko is hindi upgraded so the association. Loading siya. So ating kalaban is Atlanta Hawks. And our lineup is simple lang. Ito lang po yung lineup ko. Ito lang po. So back to the calendar. Let's play the Atlanta Hawks. Loading siya mga idol. And let's play. Yo mga idol, ito lang po. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Loading siya, loading. Ito na. Line up nila. So Trample against Adams and Capella. So John Collins pass to Trae Young guarded by CP3 to Kevin Werder. Walang Chris Paul, rebound by Chris Paul, screen by Gallinari, screen again. What a pass. Yes, 2 points. Terrence Ferguson. John Collins inbound to Trae Young again, dribbling the ball, guarded by Chris Paul. To Kevin Werder, guarded by Ferguson. To Hunter. Fake Capella. Foul. Shooting foul. Steven Adams, first personal foul, first team foul. Pasok. Ng unang free throw ni Clint Capella. Second, pasok again. So inbound si Gallinari, pass to Chris Paul. Screen by Adams to Kenrich Williams. Tumira ng tres. Wala. Trae Young the ball. Trae Young again, dribbling the ball. To Kevin Werder, libre. Yes, got for 2 points. Werder. Chris Paul dribbling the ball. Screen again by Adams to Gallinari for 3. Yes, 3 points. Danilo Gallinari. Trae Young again. Trae Young to Kevin Werder. Same play kanina. To DeAndre Hunter, guarded by Kenrich Williams. To Werder for 3. Yes, 3. Along 2 pala by Kevin Werder. Here's Chris Paul. To Gallinari to Ferguson. Gallinari for 3. Wala. Rebound. Trae Young. Wow, what a move by Trae Young. Chris Paul again. Ferguson to Kenrich Williams. From fake. Wala. Bound by Hunter. Foul number 23. Reaching in foul, first personal foul, second team foul. So inbound si Clint Capella to DeAndre Hunter. Trae Young libre. Rebound by Chris Paul. Chris Paul to Williams to Gallinari, libre for 3. Bang! All score is tied. Trae Young hanap ng kakampihan, nakita si Hunter. Trae Young, floater, rebound Williams. Chris Paul to Ferguson. To Kenrich Williams to Gallinari. To Williams to Ferguson. To Adams. Basket counts, shooting foul. First personal foul, first team foul, bonus free throw for Steven Adams. Yes. Here's Trae Young to Capella. Blocked by Adams. Get again by Capella. 2 points. Capella. Chris Paul mandating the ball. Pass to Kenrich or Steven Adams. Chris Paul tries the long three. Wala. Rebound John Collins to Werder. Werder nagpahanap ng kwapit. Tira saglit. Rebound Gallinari. Uy, na push natin yung shot. Werder to Gallinari. To Chris. To Werder. To John Collins. Trae Young. Wow, what a pass by Trae Young to Hunter Dream. Chris Paul babawi ang OKC babawi. Turns Ferguson jump shot, yes. Score is tied 13 under 6 minutes 22 remaining. Blocked by Adams. Hindi pa nag-score dito si Chris Paul. Tsaka si Kenrich Williams sasali. Yes, 3. Trae Young. Werder. Trae Young again, mandating to Werder. 3. Susubok ng long 2. Yes, Kevin Werder. Chris Paul again. Ferguson. Susubok ng 3. Wala. Rebound by Adams. Smooth. Follow up by Adams. Trae Young to Kevin Werder. Guarded by Terrence Ferguson. Steal by Ferguson. Uy, wala man. Hindi pumasok yun mga idol. Trae Young to Chris Werder. Once Kevin Werder. Time out OKC. So finish tayo mga idol kasi wala tayong papalitan na player. So 5:05 remaining. So Kenrich Williams inbound to Chris Paul. Chris Paul hanap ng screen. Uy, Ferguson libre sa 3. Bingo. 3. So Werder papasok. Blocked by Ferguson. Titira si Werder. Follow up dunk by Clint Capella. Chris Paul again. Nagmandata ng bola. Screen by Adams. To Gallinari libre sa 3 again. Wala. Trae Young to DeAndre Hunter. Blocked by Gallinari. Chris Paul the board. Hindi pa nag-score si Chris Paul dito mga idol. Williams for 3. Yes sir, 3. 5 of 11 shooting sa 3 natin ng OKC. 1 of 11 para sa Atlanta Hawks. What a move by DeAndre Hunter. Minama si Kenrich Williams. Chris Paul. Screen by Adams. Same play kanina. Chris Paul. Jumper. Wala. Trae Young again. To Williams. To Werder. Capella. Habit talaga. Chris Paul again. Mandating the ball. Screen. Chris Paul for 3. Yes, 3. Chris Paul. Score is 27 against 21. Time out Atlanta Hawks. So substitution na siguro to guys. So kita yung standing kanina. Yung amin hindi pa. So second 5 pasok na. So Bruno Fernando to DeAndre Hunter. To John Collins. Hunter libre sa 3. Yes, 3 points. Scala to SJ to screen by Moscala. SJ again. Yes, 2 points. SJ, our 6 man. SJ guarded by Jeff Teague to Hunter. Wala, rebound Collins. Wow, what a move. Hindi tayo nakabantay mga idol. SGA screen. Tira si SGA. Wala. On fire mga idol. Gafford. First personal foul para kay Gafford. Third team foul sa OKC Thunder. First Bembry to Jeff Teague to Bembry again. JJ Redick. Hinihintay yung mga kakampi. Another 3 points. Wala. 3-point game. Jeff Teague. So another foul again. Bonus. Warning na sa atin. Fourth personal foul. Bonus na sa kanila. Wala yung free throw ka for the board. SJ nagmamadali. Another, what a jam. So Raiders inbound to Bembry. Bembry to Jeff Teague. Jumper, wala. Out sa kanila, bola natin. So SJ penetrate pass, 2 points para kay SJ. Jeff Teague dribbling the ball to Bembry. Blocked by another follow up para kay Bembry. Here's SJ. Wow, what a pass. Hindi lang napasok ni Gafford. Jeff Teague to Bembry, block. SJ. Look at the clock. Dami pang oras, sabi niya. Screen. Gafford for 3. Wala. Yun, nag-try yung OKC. Jeff Teague for 3. Wala. End of first quarter. Score is 28 against 33. Yun lang mga idol kasi mayroon pa tayong gagawin. Thank you mga idol. Hope to click like, share, and subscribe.